As Mike just mentioned, this winter storm, really life-threatening conditions across the tri-state area. New York City, Long Island, they'll have a blizzard warning for the first time in 4 years. More than a foot of snow possible in some areas there. And those wind gusts, it could be up to 55 miles an hour. The hardest hit areas will be southeastern New York and southern Connecticut. Pix 11's Julie Millay joining us live with more on how the tri-state is preparing. Julie.
We're here outside the salt shed in Soho, where there's still snow on the ground behind me from the last storm, and we're still dealing with that. Take a look at this video. You know what I'm talking about. You walk along the streets, the sidewalks are filled with this dirty snow that we've been dealing with for the last few weeks, trying to get around this, and now a fresh coat expected to fall, with the National Weather Service issuing a winter storm watch from 6 a.m. tomorrow morning to 6 p.m. Monday night. The emergency management team is urging all New Yorkers to use caution when walking, biking, or driving, and allowing for additional travel time. Also encouraging folks here in the city to use mass transit if possible. New Yorkers we spoke with seem to be talking about this upcoming storm and taking it all in stride.
It was a little dirty before, then the garbage got piled up. It was a little disturbing and a little inconvenience, but let's hope it don't get that bad.
I don't want it to be like how it was a couple weeks ago, where those big piles, but a nice snowfall makes the city look beautiful.
Yeah, I'm with that guy. I think it does make the city look pretty nice, and you got to just find the positivity here when we're talking about yet another winter storm. Now, here's something. New York City looking for emergency snow shovelers. You can make about $19 an hour to start. You have to come here to a sanitation garage and apply for it with your ID and some backup photos to prove yourself. So that could be something if you're looking to make a little extra cash. We are also planning to hear from the city today at a press conference around 12:30, talking about their preps for this next round of winter weather that we are expecting. We are live in Soho this morning. I'm Julie Millay, Pix 11 News.